na kamong mga Cebuano, masuko mo ingon ko kahit mo ulo. Actually, ayaw mo ka-insulto kay Cebuano ko. I am a Cebuano. I come from Danao, Cebu. Ka mga Bisaya talaga, baski sa Davao, yung mga Bisaya doon, ang titigas talaga ng ulo, hindi mo pasunod. Yan ang totoo. Yan talaga, prangkahan ko kayo. Magalit kayo, suko muna ako. Di masuko, pagko ninyo. Sinabi na and I got, do not F with me. Because nanonood ako ng government stations. Kinukuha lahat yung Talisay. Talisay was like a marketplace every day. Nag-iinuman ka dyan, nagsusugal. Almost nonchalant of the dangers that were looking around. Ayaw rin yung maniwala. Ngayon kita, bakit marami? Well, one of the reasons really, I would say, even without consulting the body, because you did not follow rules. Hindi ganun karami yan. You have the highest. Cebu is now the hotspot for COVID. Bakit? Wala mong sunod Marami sa inyo hindi sumunod. Kaya huwag ninyo akong magalit-galit kayo sa akin. Look, I am here to run government. I'm not here to stay forever. As a matter of fact, I am on my last 2 years. God, you better shape up. I will not. Hindi ako manunod kasi Bisaya tayo that you'll have a special place in this. Di na nangyari now you have a total of 37,514 confirmed cases. On the last 2 days, ito na yung may tests, 858. Sa bagay, ang recoveries, baka karamihan ito Bisaya rin kasi hindi tumatalab yung coronavirus. Tigas talaga siguro pati baka. Tigas na yung ulo. Sabi ko sa actually, I am you want me to say what I feel? I am sad and I am para akong nawalaan ng hangin dito. We have now total deaths of 1,266. Cases reported today, 1,008. So, that is where the numbers are. Sana kung mag-ano lang kayo, naniwala ka. You know, Manila and its environment, maraming tao. But because sumunod sila with few violations thereabout, we here in Manila had a good chance of at least avoiding it.